Let's learn how to reset Binance Passkey on Binance. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but you can follow up with any other device. One thing before we start, this is a lot easier on phones to do on phone, so you can follow up with your phone, but it's faster if you do it on iOS or Android device. One more thing, you can't really reset a passkey, so you'll have to delete it and add new authenticator. Also, you can't do this from your application, so you'll have to do it on browser. If you go to application and security and passkeys to manage, you can see when you click on add new authenticator that there was a problem, and you will have to go on binance.com. So let's go there. Okay, once we are here, we will have to go on account section. To go there, just click on this profile icon, select account, so new row will appear, select on security. This will load new tab, and you will have to click on manage here, and this will load passkey site. So here you will have to delete this first. Click on this, click on continue. I will not delete this now. Once you done that, you will have to click on this add new authenticator button. When you do that, new tab will appear before this with email and phone verification. So you will have to verify your email. You will get the code on your mail inbox, and you will also get your SMS message on your phone number. So after you do this, you'll have to go to this security setup, finish it, and you will have your passkey added. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.